Let's have some fun. We've just begun with Amir, the kid engineer.
We're doing a garden tour today.
A garden tour? You're going to show me everything in your garden? Okay, let's see what we have here.
This is pepper.
Peppers? What's that?
Broccoli.
Oh, should we take a closer look at everything? All right. So do you think we'll get broccoli in this thing? Yeah. It's gonna grow down in there in bunches. And what's this? Our peppers?
A pepper.
They're looking a little sad. Hopefully with some sun they'll be a bit happier. It's a cloudy day today, hey? All right. What do you want to show us next? The airplane? Yeah? Maybe it's going to the airport. They sure are loud, aren't they? All right, what are you going to show us next? Oh, you've got your sidekick Adam here with you too. What's that?
Strawberries, tomato.
Tomato, right. You see all the little green tomatoes on there?
Yeah, strawberries.
Strawberries? I don't think they're strawberries. What are they?
Strawberries.
We just bought this plant. It's not looking too well. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or if it just wasn't pruned properly. I guess we'll find out. It was like on a clearance rack, so we just thought we'd get it and see what we could do with it. Where's our other tomato plants? Our other tomato plants are quite small still. Here they are. Who knows? We've never made tomatoes from seeds before. We're not like expert gardeners by any sense, but we'll see if they grow. Cucumbers? Okay, where are the cucumbers?
Yeah.
Those are cucumbers? Wow. So how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cucumbers all together. And they're going to go really big, and where are they going to start climbing once they get nice and big? They're going to climb this fence we made for them, hey? Right here? What are these, Amir?
What are they?
Do you remember?
They're on a bench.
Yeah, that's okay. What do we call these?
What are they?
Don't you know?
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember? What are they?
Yeah.
They're onions.
Onion.
Does that smell good, Adam? Oh, what are those? In the pots? What are these in the pots? Wow. Look at those.
What's that called?
Let's look at this one in the white pot. It's even bigger.
Whoa.
Wow.
No, that's good in the black.
Yeah, these are chili peppers. So we got our bell peppers and our chili peppers. What's this? Wow. What is that, Amir?
What are they?
You know what it is. We're going to harvest that today. What's it called?
Spinach.
Spinach, that's right. It's growing so big. Amir later is going to help us harvest it so we can cook it tonight. What's on this side here? What's this?
You're looking to a mom.
This is lettuce, and it's growing really well too. We'll be able to eat it soon too.
We're going to harvest that.
Now this one is called eggplant. See, we've got our little sticker there. Tell us. Eggplant. And as it grows, it's going to grow up this thing and give us lots of yummy eggplants. We call this area our island of misfit plants. So we have some misfit chives here that just kind of started growing, and Amir put that really lovely rock circle around it.
And they want me frogs.
Now this one's called bok choy, and you know what? It started shooting its seeds. And do you know what that means, Amir?
What?
It means that when the plant has finished its life, it's going to shoot up seeds so so it can grow again, okay? So if we see here, the leaves, they've all turned yellow from green. And if we look right here at this beautiful stalk, those are seeds. And they're gonna keep growing and they're gonna flower and then they're gonna turn into seeds. And then eventually those seeds will fall onto the ground and create a new plant.
Look at these.
We have these wildflowers we found. They haven't survived their transplant very well though, but they're very pretty. Yeah, so these are all our misfit little plants. And then what's this big bush here?
What?
This big bush. Whoa,
What is that?
this is our lilac bush. And it produces lovely purple flowers early spring, but you can see now they're all brown. So the flowers come early spring and then they leave right away. Yeah, and then they die like that. But they're the best smelling. All right. What's the matter, Adam? What's that? Is there a bug there? Yeah, we'll harvest that right away. Let's look at our other plants too. I think we have a couple we haven't done yet. Oh, these blue pots. What's in these blue pots here? These are very interesting. What are these?
What are they? Look at this.
Oh, these ones are growing big. Do you know what's going to grow out of this plant, Amir?
What?
Do you remember?
Yeah.
It's beans.
Beans?
Yeah.
What are they here? What is it? This here.
Wow, that looks like... That actually might be a marigold. I would pull it, but let's wait and find out, okay? So these are all our beans, and our beans are going to grow up this long fence. And then they're going to grow the vegetable. But these are peas. They'll give us nice long peas.
Hey, they're the toy.
Yeah, it looks like there's a toy inside. I wonder how that got there.
That's lion.
How did that get there, Adam?
There.
Did you put that there?
There.
Yeah. Okay, leave it alone. Those are the peas, and they're going to climb all the way up and give us yummy, sweet peas. All right, what else do we need to go see? What's this kind of plant?
I like it.
This is a little rose bush. See, oh, we've got some buds there. You
But,
see, buds. Buds.
but,
Yeah, a bud with a D, bud is the part of a flower before it blooms. Okay, what else do we have to see? The marigolds? Okay, where's the marigolds, Amir?
way up there.
Way up where? Oh, up there. Oh, and there's your baby brother Nathaniel. Let's say hi, Nathaniel. Hi. Okay, let's take a look up here. What do we got? Oh, should I bring it down? Look at those marigolds coming in. So what Amir and I did is we just took a whole bunch of old seeds from our old marigold plants from last year and we planted them in here, and so far we have 4 big plants. Now do you want to show everybody the marigolds we put in the pockets?
Let's put that in there.
What's that? Can you blow that? Oh, that's called a pinwheel. Yeah, you have to make sure you blow in one direction. Blow. There you go.
Here.
Can you blow on that, Adam? All right, let's show everyone the marigolds in the pocket because they're about to bloom. Whoa. So these are our marigolds. These are just teeny tiny ones. And they're about to go full bloom. They're just open just a little bit, but they're going to open right up.
Not these ones.
Yeah, no, the rest of this is meant for the house. We haven't taken it inside yet, though. We're going to put a whole bunch of herbs here and then hang it on our door. This is mint. And you know how we actually grew this mint, Amir? You weren't here for this part. We actually took mint from the superstore that we bought and we soaked it in water for a little bit, and then roots grew out of the stems and we were able to replant them. And then we use a lot of cilantro in our house. So this is a nice big cilantro plant. All kind of on our gardening and toy shelf, as you can see, all our tools and some chalk.
We can harvest spinach right now.
We're gonna harvest spinach right now?
Yeah.
Sounds great. Do you know how to do it, Amir?
Yeah.
All right.
Scissors.
Scissors, all right. We're gonna start here at the end.
Scissors.
Okay, and I want you to cut the stalks. You see down there? You cut them, yep, just like that. Perfect.
Hey.
And then we're gonna pick it up. There we go. Spinach, so we can cook later for dinner. Let's put it in the bowl.
A broken one here.
All right, you keep cutting off the leaves, okay? Let's have some fun. We've just begun with Amir, the kid engineer.